today's video, we are going to show you how to make some manicure items for our dolls. So quickly before we start the video, I'm going to give the shoutouts to
Golden Garden, Maker Mischief, Nora Hill, and Cathy Lopez.
so much for commenting. And remember, if you'd like a shoutout, all you have to do is comment something nice in my videos. So now let's get into the video. We start by making some nail polishes for our dolls. I'm going to take a jewelry bead like this and a toothpick, and I'm also going to require a straw. So now I'm going to take this toothpick and put it in the straw and then glue it right like this. You can also use paper instead of straw. At the end I decided not to use anything because it looks fabulous even like this. And I have decided to now cut the toothpick from over here. And now I'm going to use a permanent marker to color it black to make it look more good. I also colored its end. Right now it looks kind of like a pencil, but when we just put it in, it's like a nail polish, which can really open. You can also just use two beads like this, but it won't open because I have glued it, but it still looks awesome. Next, I use glitter paper and just cut out a little size like this, kind of like a nail file for our dolls. Next, I'm going to take a toothpick and cut its end to make another tool for manicure, and the back side can be a cuticle pusher. Next, I'm going to take an empty small container like this, take cotton, take a little section from it to make small cotton balls for our dolls to remove their nail polishes once they're done. Next, taking the leftover end of the toothpick and cutting the last side of it. And I have colored the end with a permanent marker, and we can make this another tool for manicure. Next, cut off a stick from an earbud or Q-tip, and now I am going to cut off half of it and then cut like a V shape from its tip to make another tool for the manicure. Now take a container like this, and I am going to take all the tools that we made for the manicure to place it inside here to give them a stand to keep all their items for the manicure. And now I am going to take another small container like this and then place one nail polish right like this. Now taking another toothpick, I am going to again cut it from half from the middle. Now I am going to take some paper and then roll it right like this. And then glue the ends after you do so, and also the start. After gluing, I am going to take glue and then glue its end right like this. Just put a little blob like this to make it look like a glue applicator for some fake nails. So we can keep our doll's favorite nail polish color and a glue applicator in here, and then all those cotton balls over here. So I hope you like my video and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Bye and thanks for watching. So